Despite an ever-evolving automotive landscape, trucks simply never lose their appeal. And with that in mind, it should come as no surprise that the market for classic trucks is absolutely exploding. This custom 1954 3100 is the direct result of what happens when talented builders follow an acute plan that's founded on great details and top-notch workmanship. This national award-winning pickup is the beneficiary of a body-off nut and bolt restoration. That freshening began with a solid body that was carefully stripped and converted from a 3-window to a 5-window cab. Once that metal was fully prepped, silky Jaguar light blue metallic 2-stage was stretched from stem to stern. And today, the Chevy rolls as one sweet showstopper that provides instant red carpet curb appeal. Modified in the same tasteful manner as its timeless body, this truck's custom interior is an exercise in style and solitude. A massaged dash hangs billet-ringed gauges next to modern climate control, and a Kenwood head unit that's supplemented with a Pioneer amp, speakers, and a Rockford Fosgate sub. A Glide engineering bench adjusts forward, rearward, and reclines. And the driver stays connected to the road through a leather-wrapped banjo-style steering wheel on a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find a 350 cubic inch crate engine that hosts a 4-barrel Holley and an Edelbrock intake. Behind that small block Chevy, a tough TH350 3-speed sends power to a Ford 9-inch. This head-turning half-ton is the direct result of Big Dream's careful planning and skillful building. And if you're an opportunistic truck fan, it's the perfect way to turn lofty goals into proud achievements. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.